Oh yeah, we got a nice little drop off today. 10-piece. I know. Bro, is that me? What's that smell? And this covered in mold? Nah, bro. You can't be serious right now. Is that mold for real? Yo, Isaac, come look at this, bro. Let me know. Is this mold on these shoes or am I tripping? Is that? You smell that? Bro, I thought it was.
That's them shoes?
Yeah, I thought it was me.
I thought it was you too. What the f? Nah, that is mold, bro.
Bruh.
Yeah, we gotta throw these out, gang. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta throw these out.
Nah, bro. Hey, hold on. We gotta get this done. We only got 48 hours, bro. He leave this weekend.
What?
Yes.
48 hours?
Yes, bro. I need some gloves. I need some scissors. I need some trash bags. I need some.
I'm not touching that. You got it, gang. Oh, bro, that just did.
Ain't no way you finna leave me here with this. This stink. We got 48 hours.
Hey Siri, can you take me to KICKZ?
Starting route to KICKZ.
YouTube, we back with another video. You know what time it is, man. We got a huge order from my boy. Nothing but heat. I can see it in the bag right now. My boy Terrell Lewis.
Terrell Lewis wants to make the universe.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Make sure you put Super Bowl in front of his name when you say his name. You know what I'm saying? Alabama, linebacker, Roll Tide. You know what time it is, man. We got a lot to do in 48 hours. So, let's get it started.
You got some of these, some of there, some of there, some of there. You know what I'm saying? These right here. Laces. This shit gonna take forever. Double knotted. We gonna keep these in the shoe. Look at this. Knotted. Come on, gang. I can't take these hoes off with gloves on, man.
Chat, I am tired. Your boy is tired. When I say we took out all the laces for all these shoes that's on the table right now, that's the most I can do because I can't take the smell no more. It's beyond me at this point. This shit is knocking me way back. You see where I'm standing at right now, right? Just took this shit off. Bro, ain't no way I keep going, bro. This shit here. This shit hell. I'm about done with this. I'm done with this shit, bro. I ain't gonna count to you, bro. I'm done with this shit. Bruh, this shit stink. This shit is, I can't take it. Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna just give his shoes back to him. That's how I'm looking at it. I'm just gonna give it back to him. Because,
You gotta get this done in 48 hours, bro. Probably got like...
bro, fuck that, bro. Fuck that.
What you doing, bro?
Fuck that. Fuck that, man. This shit back in the bag. Take this back to him. Take this back to him. That's what we finna do. Right now, I can't take the smell no more. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. That's just me. I just can't do it. This shit stinks. Yeah, that's it. He just gonna have to lace these up by himself. I'll wash the laces for him. But I can't. I probably can't even wash the laces for him. I'm just gonna throw them in the bag too. Nah, fuck that. Do you see these? Do you not see these? Bruh, That shit's, man. Tidy him up just like that. And give it back to him just like that. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. What's going on, dog? What's good with it, man?
Look, bro, I know I told you I ain't really have no time for shoes, but I need it done tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I know.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah, nah, hey, man, I got a flight going out to LA tomorrow, and I need them done by like 3 o'clock.
3?
You swing it? Yeah, 3, bro. I heard y'all was the best. Nah, look, y'all said y'all was.
Yeah. I know we locked in for tomorrow for sure, but I thought your flight was leaving out like at 8.
It is. But I got some stuff that I need to take care of, so I need to have the shoes in hand on.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I need to make sure they good, so I need them at 3.
Right. Okay. Bet. All right, so let's do this. Let's set everything up for 3. Well, your flight leave at 3, right?
No, my flight still leave at 8.
Okay.
But I need them by 3 because I got some stuff that I gotta take care of.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah, so
I got you. Let's lock in for 3 o'clock.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it, bro. That's love, man.
But hey, it's gonna take a lot of time, and we're gonna get everything taken care of. We gotta get this done by 3 o'clock. Shit. They thought that secret sauce wasn't gonna work. Oh yeah. Man, that secret sauce gonna do wonders because you can see the difference already compared to this one and this one right here. We haven't even touched the bottoms yet. I just want y'all to know this is not a new shoe. This is the same exact shoe. That's why we cut the bottom 30. You feel me? So y'all can see the difference between this one and this one. Look at this. Come on, man. And this is suede. This is suede material. That secret sauce gonna do it every time. Let's get started on this one. We don't play around. When it comes to this secret sauce, we got it. There's nobody doing it that's better. Kills all bacteria, all fungus, and it's a deodorizer too. So for the people that's in the comments saying like, what's gonna happen with that smell? What smell? Now, we hit the soles. Chat, as you can see, we got all the shoes done. You know what I'm saying? Everything is back, icy, back clean. We did it, but we didn't do it in time. Unfortunately, he had to take a flight early and he needed to get out of town. But these shoes needed extra TLC in order to get it done. You feel me? Because they had mold on it. Y'all saw from earlier all the mold that was on these shoes. You feel me? That takes a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of dedication. Head ass. But we got it done. You see, we finna ship them off. Finna package everything up. You see it, man. Come on now. Finna ship everything off today. Everything looking new. Even the bottoms. You feel me? Come on. Can't be mad at it. You can't be mad at it. Oh yeah, and the suede's back. And the suede's back. Come on. So yes sir, we got it done. Another order going out. Terrell, Lewis, I appreciate all the support, all the business. Hey, tell your new team, hit my line. We got them. We're gonna take care of them. Just like we took care of you.